What's up, guys? Jack from Half Chrome. Today, the news coming out of DJI is actually really exciting. All digital FPV feed is fantastic. We're going to take a look at it here. But did you know this is not the first time they've done that? And they've been in the FPV game longer than most people know. They've been producing motors, ESCs, propellers. A lot of people know about the Race Edition goggles, but DJI isn't new to the FPV game. But they did just change it today. Stay tuned. Okay, so this new all-in-one system looks fantastic. I've watched pretty much every review, and I'm going to get my hands on one. Okay, so let's talk about what just happened today. All digital FPV. I don't care what goggles you're running. This digital feed is going to be better than that. And that's what every review has said so far. The picture crystal clear. The range really good. Check out Rotor Riot. Check out Oh My God. Check out Kebab FPV. They've done some fantastic reviews. Now I don't have one yet. I'm going to get my hands on one. What I do have is their old digital FPV system, the OcuSync. Now that was pretty darn good. Actually, you get pretty much the same quality, but 50 milliseconds of delay, and that's kind of just around the fringes of being able to fly FPV. In terms of a quad, you could do a fixed wing and that would be okay. But this new system that they introduced really is a game changer. Now, I don't think it's going to have a super impact right away because of a couple of things. One, size. Two, price point. Three, the market's already been pretty established and there aren't really quads built to hold this air unit. Now that's going to change, and it's kind of surprising that DJI didn't release one right away with the drone, but you can bet it's coming, right? I do know that they're planning on selling frames and other parts that you need in order to build this drone, but not everybody wants to build their own race drone. DJI, they happen to build the best drones in the world, so why didn't they release one? Well, they will. It's coming. They just didn't quite perfect it the way that they like to. You know, they like to make sure that their products are pretty darn near perfect before they release, and then it gets to the public, and we're wowed. And I do think that this, what they've done with the goggles, with the air unit, and that remote, you know, the Phantom remote, and that's basically what it is a really nice remote. It always has been. So this system is going to be fantastic. Now, can you use the goggles with your current system? No, that stinks. Can you use the remote with other drones? No, that stinks. The DJI system is all-encompassing. So you're going to use the goggles, the remote, and the air unit only with that specific drone. Now you can use the goggles with multiple air units or the remote with multiple air units. So the big change is kind of around the corner. This is really just kind of the tip of the iceberg. Once this technology becomes more commonplace and there are more things in the ecosystem pipeline, you can bet that this hobby's in for even another step up. But yeah, right now, $1,000. It's expensive, right? But if you think HDOs are going to cost you $500 plus a $100 module, that's $600 for your goggle. I buy a QX7, that's another $150, right? We're kind of in the same ballpark. And you got a receiver, camera. You could get a run cam split. That's really kind of like the closest thing, or a Caddx Turtle, something like that to record your HD video feed. But you know what? The DJI does even better. 1080 at 60 or 720 at 120. Oof, good stuff. I look forward to get my hands on one of these things and checking it out, and I'll let you know when I do. But yeah, they've been doing good stuff. We already recognize them as kind of a leader in drones. Even the OcuSystem that didn't really get super popular for FPV quads is still really good. The only other FPV system that I think had any real merit was the Connex, or perhaps even the Uvify one. But really, DJI knocked this out of the park and left both of those in the dust. So we'll get our hands on one of these in the near future. And we'll let you know what we think. Hey, thanks for watching. Let us know, what do you think? Is this a game changer? What do you want to see? What kind of quad do you envision us putting this thing on? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Make sure you check us out on halfchrome.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Happy flying.